What's up, you guys? It's RJ. We are back with some B2B. Today we're going to check out some music that I've kind of missed, I guess. I think there might be even a few more music videos, but today we're going to check out Wow, Thriller, Beep Beep, and Insane. And I think these videos are older, so I believe that they do include Ilhun, but I guess we shall see. So yeah. I'm excited. Let's do it. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna start with Wow. There are no lyrics, but I mean, there's some captions rather, but it's okay. Let's go. "2012, holy cow. Oh my God, 10 years ago. Whoa, he's a baby. Oh, they're all babies. Wow. Minhyuk. This feels like a boy band song. If that makes sense. Oh. Yeah, this is giving me like some... Whoa, that hat. Cool. Look at him. What is happening? She got these boys disappearing. So before this goes on, that had a very like groovy vibe to it. Like it gave me like a boy band, but not like, you know, because I know, can you even call, well, bands in Korea, and I feel like a band or a boy band rather in like America or in just Western music is, I feel like, is means something different. Because like a One Direction, they're a boy band. However, they're not like band in the sense of them playing instruments and whatnot. So when I say this song reminded me of a boy band, I meant that in the Backstreet Boys type of like vein, not necessarily in the K-pop world where a band would be someone like One or guys that like play actual instruments for that's their thing. I also started to wonder if this was their debut song, so I had to look it up, but no, Insane is actually their debut. So I didn't realize I'd be checking that out, so that's cool. All right, our next song is Thriller. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Their eyes are glowing. Look at all these tattoos. Oh, his set is so cool. Wow, checks out. I want like a close-up of these tattoos. The vocals. The abs are out. Oh, that's such a cool ending shot with them like breathing like that. Like, or going up and down as if they're like, you know, breathing like a animal. I was gonna say this in the last video, but I don't know if it's just me being so focused on what's happening that I'm like not catching everything. But in the first one, I was like, did Peniel rap? I don't remember him rapping. And then in this one, I feel like I barely saw him in this one as well, unless I'm just not recognizing him because he's got like a full head of hair. And maybe I'm confusing him with one of the other members as they like circle through them. Because that could very well be the reason as well. Because I did catch him near the end of Thriller. And then I was like, oh, there he is. Okay. And I was like, well, where was he before? Because I guess I'm waiting for him to be like rapping in English. Because that's what I've been hearing him do, at least on the albums and whatnot. So I guess my brain is waiting for that to happen, but I guess I shouldn't be assuming that he does that in every song. So maybe that's why I keep thinking that I'm missing him. He's probably got lines, but maybe not too many. I'm not really sure. Definitely my favorite song so far though. That was a really fun. I like the aesthetic. I like the like Halloween vibes. And I was actually wondering if they were going to kind of take like a kind of approach towards the Michael Jackson Thriller video. And I believe there was a cemetery situation happening in that music video, right? Because they had that setting here. So I don't know if that was maybe like influenced or inspired rather. But yeah, that was really cool. All right, our next song is Beep Beep. Let's go. 2014, so the following year. The song starter so far. Midnight Flow. Suddenly I'm seeing him a lot here now. It's because I pointed it out. Ooh, this bridge is pretty. Wow, the harmonies. This song and the music video is, I'll say it at the end. Yeah, the vocals though. I like that one. So what I was gonna say is this music video is the clip, not the clip, but like, do you remember when we were watching the Reserved and Quiet Idols and that shot of the girls doing like the sexy dance, and I'm pretty sure they showed Sung Jae, and I don't know who joined him, but he was like imitating the girls doing like their like sexy dances. That's all I could think about while watching that, and that was really making me laugh because I noticed the jacket at first. I was like, this jacket looks familiar. Then it was like that whole rim set, and then when the girls showed up and like they had like the one member in the front, I was like, oh, this is that part, because I was rolling at that part in that video. Totally dug this song. This song was really fun, really chill, but really fun as well. That bridge was like the best, the absolute best, and I actually really want to hear the song again because it got better for me as it went on. And the bridge just kind of like knocked it out of the park for me. And I love that whole scene where they were just like all sitting around that piano wearing suits. They all looked so good. All right, finally, we have our debut for BTOB. Insane. Let's go. How have I never seen this or heard this before? Come true. I thought this was like an S Club 7 song. Doesn't it sound like that? Never had a dream come true? If you know, you know. This is interesting. These hairstyles. Whoa, what's this outfit he's got on? God. Oh my God, Peniel. This does not seem like a happy song. I can't believe this was their debut. Was it their debut? Oh, that must have been fun to do. Oh God. You're selling the emotions. Sheesh. Let me just make sure this was their debut. What a heavy song. BTOB debuted on March 21st, 2012. Oh wow. Oh, that almost a little over 10 years ago now. Performing Insane and Imagine on M Countdown. Wow. Wow. You know what's also crazy? It's just to see where K-pop has gone from 10 years ago. Like, it's just so funny how dramatic and almost like TV drama a lot of music videos were. I feel like you don't see that like that in music videos now, even down to like all of the members of the group like matching so perfectly, like colors, like, you know, usually there's like a theme happening within the clothes, but usually everyone has their own individual style now, and then they have that kind of match with the group, but no one's like necessarily being super matchy where like it's like everyone's wearing blue, everyone's wearing green, at least that I can remember in this very moment, because honestly I could be editing this and then be like, oh wait, what about that? But even BTOB though, I feel like their music videos are still very, I wouldn't say very, but I mean, I guess the only thing I can really compare it to is the song, because that's their most recent thing. And that was definitely dramatic, because the song was kind of dramatic too. But I guess it's just interesting to see, like, you know, then and now, like where they've come and like how they all look, and like hairstyles are all different, and no one's like doing like the whole low-rise jean thing anymore. And it's just really funny. It's really crazy. That wasn't that long ago. It's just funny. It's crazy how things develop. I'm pretty sure these particular things that were cool then will be back at some point. It always happens. It always comes back around. But this was a cool kind of trip down memory lane for BTOB, because this is definitely their early days. So these are things that I have not necessarily heard. But I definitely enjoyed it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here, you guys. If you liked the video, leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if that's your thing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.